Hey, just welcome back to Odor. Is it worth it? So today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here. And basically what this is an air freshener spray that can also help you guys remove like odor and etc. as well. And you can see the one that we got right here is from a brand called Fresh Wave. And if you guys remember the past, I reviewed another product from this brand before, which is basically an odor remover where you can put anywhere, like a restroom or something. Let me actually go get it and show you guys what I'm talking about. So the ones I'm referring to are basically these. So this is a small container that you guys can put the gels inside, and they actually have these available in different sizes. So if you guys want bigger ones or smaller ones, that is up to you guys. And they also have these available in different scents as well. The one that I got right here is a lavender scent. I also tried, I believe, like the original one as well, but I do like the lavender a lot more. And on this side, we do have the refill option, which is everything that's inside right here in terms of the gel material that you guys can see inside. So you do have the option to buy a new one of this one, or you can just buy a refill and just refill it inside once you guys are done. And supposedly for one of these products should last you guys around like 1 month to 2 months, depending on how bad like the odor is and everything when you guys do use it. So that is the stationary option. Where for this one here, I saw it online and I want to give it a try to see how this works compared to that one. So for the one that I got right here is also the lavender scent, and it comes in a pack of 2 of them. I believe they actually have this available in bigger, smaller packs and also different scent as well. So if you guys want more or less, or if you guys want a different scent, that is totally up to you guys, and you should definitely do your own research. But I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here's basically what's included inside. So they provide you guys 2 of the formula bottles right here, and they provide you guys 2 of these sprays that you can use. So both of them are the same thing. I'm only going to show you guys one of them. Since they right here do have the brand logo, and they do tell you guys that lavender scent. And what's really cool about this brand is the fact that the material or the ingredients that they use is all natural ingredients, which is pretty awesome. If you guys turn to the back, they show you guys how to actually use it and where to actually use it. So you can definitely put it onto your clothes, your shoe, and etc. And they do mention when you guys do use the product, it can help you guys get rid of odor from clothes, bedding, backpacks, sports gear, shoe, trash can, and the list goes on. And in terms of the direction, they do mention how you want to shake it a little bit before you guys actually use it. And they also mention how it's safe for humans, pet, and also for the planet. But let's open this up and test it out to show you guys how it works. So you guys want to twist it open. So you see the inside is all sealed up. So what you guys want to do is open up and insert the stick or the spray on here. So I can't really tilt the product to show you guys what the inside looks like. But it's basically like a white liquid inside. And when you guys smell it, it has this very strong kind of like lavender and kind of like menthol kind of smell to it. But once you guys open it, you can definitely insert this part here inside and just close it up. Once you guys fully set it up, here is basically what the product looks like. And you see in the top right here, we do have a lock and unlock button. So right now it's locked. If you guys try to press it, it won't work. But if you guys turn it, now it's unlocked. So if you guys spray again, it will work. But I don't want to spray just yet. Let me actually get my shoe over first. Alright, so here is the running shoe that I've been using almost every day for like working out. And you see inside I do have this like shoe deodorizer bag thing that I've been using. And it's from that brand right there. So for these bags, it can only help so much in terms of the odor, etc. Like if I try to smell it right now, it still has this like strong odor from like the sweat and etc. when I'm working out. So try to use the formula here to see when it actually helps. So you definitely have the option to spray the side or the inside. I'll just spray the inside for now because I'm not using it just yet. So you want to go like this. So just like that, and just let it kind of do its own thing. If you want to, you can probably even wear like a mask or something for protection. So I'm actually get a mask. Like I mentioned, the product, it does use natural ingredients, so it won't be an issue. But just to be safe, I'm going to use my mask. So basically spray everywhere on the shoe. That is really all you guys need to do, and just let it kind of dry by itself. And even with my mask on, I can definitely smell how strong the actual air freshener works. I can definitely smell like the lavender scent when I actually use it. But in terms of how much you guys want to add, that's totally up to you guys. You can definitely add more or less based on your own preference. So I'm actually do the same thing for the other pair as well. So here we have the other pair, and I also have this inside. Let's spray the inside as well. Alright, so that should be good. And then basically once you guys do that, then you guys can just let it kind of dry by itself. And once you guys use it again later, you won't smell any of the odor because it actually works pretty well. Like even right now, if I try to smell the first one, I don't smell any more of the odor. All I smell is the air freshener spray that we use right here. So you definitely have the option to use the product on your shoe every single time you guys use it. Or if you guys want to use it on your sofa or anywhere else to remove like pet odor, etc. How you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. And then once you guys are done, you have to lock it back up and it's all set. So that is basically everything for the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to end the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality air freshener to help you guys remove any kind of like odor. Maybe for like pet odor or your room-based smokes or something. That is where one of these actually comes in handy, so I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.